Okay, okay. How do I make my YouTube intros and how to make one? That is a very interesting topic. So, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make your own YouTube intro. Like, after this, you're going to see a YouTube intro coming, like, circle and then my logo coming up. Yeah, how to make that kind of thing on this kind of website that has no watermarks. So, let's get started. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm Darsh, as you all know. Today I'm going to be telling you guys how to make your own YouTube intro. Like previously when you saw that intro, yeah, how to make that? That's the question. And you all might be wondering how I did that. So today I'm going to reveal to you how I do it. So let's get started. All you have to do is open your Chrome, Google Chrome. You can maximize it if it shows like minimized. Okay, you type down this website called videofreak.com. Guys, I'll leave the link in the description so you can go to the same website. And yeah, it's made for intro making. You can make other stuff as well, but yeah. So first of all, you sign up. Yeah, you need to have an account. So you add your full name, right? Like, let's go search on the web because that's the channel name. And I might as well stop the recording so you guys do not see the email and password because, yeah, that might not be good. So I'm going to stop the recording and set up my account and let's just, get started after that, okay? Let me see you after a million years. Okay, guys, so I signed up. This will come up, okay? So what best describes you, right? So you can, click any button. I'm gonna hit student because that's what I am, and you can, skip this. I think. I mean, I did not get this anyway. So if you're not having a team, you can just hit close. I guess, right? Not I guess. I mean, I know you can hit close. Okay. So you can do not save it because it's much safer to not save, right? So here you are. You're making a YouTube intro. These are all like the templates. And if you're making a YouTube video, right? For YouTube, right? So if imagine you're making a gaming video. You make gaming videos on your channel. So you would type YouTube gaming. Simply whatever your niche is, which means what kind of videos you want to make is what you're gonna write after you write YouTube, so it knows you're making a YouTube intro. Hit enter. I mean, I'm not making gaming videos. I'm of course making normal tech videos, but hey, right? So this is like an outro, but this is an intro. We're making intro, not outro. I might make a video later, so like you can check. Yeah, so as you saw, it gave us a preview of it. So if you want, you can like change how this would be. But if you're making a YouTube video, then yeah, this has to be the one because that's the YouTube, way of how it's shown. So you can hit use this template, and then you start making your videos. So now your video, your YouTube intro. Sorry, right? So it will come up as a scene. You can like download it, and then that's how it will just come up like this. You can delete those other scenes, otherwise they'll come up in the way. Okay, you're just making your one scene, right? So how are you gonna do this? Let me tell you. You first upload your logo. That is very, very important. So I have like, a lot of stuff here. So I'll make like, any kind of logo and just put it up over there because of course I'm not making a real YouTube intro. And then, gaming comes up. It's very, very nice. So like here, have the logo. Add to all scenes. It's simple. It's very, very simple. So look, I'm gonna play it. This is of course coming up first. So as you see, my logo that I uploaded came. Now is this example.com is what you want to change, I believe, right? So you can like either remove it or just add something to it. So I'm gonna edit it. I hope I'm editing For some reason, okay, there we go. Right, you can write like just write subscribe, like whatever you like, and you're pretty much done. I mean, there are a lot of other templates, so you can use them. This is how you do on this template. So you can like the logo, you can upload it from your computer or laptop, right? Put it right there. It's very simple and also has no watermark. So I'll show you the video because it's kind of a small display. So if I play it, of course there's two scenes, and what you have to do is hit the delete option. You delete it, it's done. It's over here now, so you might as well check if it came there. Of course it did not happen perfectly. Okay, if this actually happened to you, that I'm sure that happened to you if you did the same thing. So yeah, I might as well. I think I did make a mistake, so I was a bit in a hurry. I'm sorry. Look at this. So it's there. The scene comes up. Yeah. Okay, I guess that's there, right? So you already learned you should not delete any scene. I think it's part of the template. That was not on when I make my intro, so that's why I was a bit confused. But it's okay. As you see, we made our YouTube intro. You can download it here. Hit the download option. If you try the other one, it will cost you money to do it. You have to do that. I know it says for free, but they're just fooling you. So you hit the normal one. It's okay. It's still a good quality. So and plus, even if you do it the premium way, it's gonna take longer to even do it. And do not do any of this. You just cross it off and you wait for your this to work and all that stuff. So you wait for it. Of course, will take a bit of a time, but hey, for you guys, it's just gonna be like a few seconds. 3, 2, 1. So, as you can see, the video rendering is done and it's all processed. Of course, for you guys, it took just 3 seconds, but in reality, it took I don't know, 10 minutes. So, as you can see, it's been a long time on my taskbar. It's been over an hour, I think. But yeah, it's just it matters on how the file size is because I made a lot of YouTube intros with this. That's why it's taking a long time. But if you have the first time, it'll probably take 4 to 5 minutes. But as you can see, it's all done. I watched the preview without you guys. I'm sorry for that. So let me just give you a preview of this by full screen it and playing it. So watch the entire thing. So, you just saw that. I mean, we literally made it so easily in front of you guys. So, all you have to do is download it. There's just 2 download options. I'll just hit one of them. And you see here, it's downloaded. We got the video. I'll show it to you again. If you think that it's not downloaded, I just have some video editing here. So, let me show you. So, you saw that? We literally made a YouTube intro just like that. No watermarks at all. Because, you see here? No watermarks. There's no videocreek.com, something like that over there. It's plain, normal, no watermarks, as I said that just 5 seconds ago. I mean, look. You can even do this. it is possible for you guys to do it. Links in the description. Click that if you make YouTube videos and you want a YouTube intro like this. Go ahead, click it. Make your own YouTube intro like how I showed you on whatever niche you have. I already told you the meaning of a niche. So, we'll end the video right here. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to my channel for more. Like the video so I can make more videos like this. Hit the notification bell so you're the first member of the squad to learn something new. And I'll see you guys in the next video.